Hi there, I'm Stella from Stella's Yarn Universe, and in this video I will show you how to half double crochet or half treble crochet as it's called here in the UK. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment and hope you'll enjoy it. These are my 2 rows of single crochet and 2 rows of double crochet from my previous lessons, and in this video I will show you how to half double crochet or half treble crochet as it's called in the UK. We'll join a new color to do this. Just chain the new color and pull the end of the previous color tight. Now we'll make 2 chain stitches. 1, 2, and as in the double crochet, do a yarn over before we insert our hook in the first stitch. Now we pick up the yarn, pull it through, do a yarn over again, and now we pull it through all 3 loops at once. And this is our half double crochet. So again, yarn over, insert hook, pick up the yarn over again, and pull through all 3 loops all at once. Yarn over, insert, pick up, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 3 at once. And the last one. Let's do a second row. Chain 2, 1, 2. Turn our work around, yarn over, insert hook, pick up the yarn over, and pull through all 3. And these are our 2 rows of half double crochet. It's something in between the single crochet and double crochet, so you can feel it's a bit softer, feels a bit softer than the single crochet, but a bit firmer than the double crochet. So it's a great stitch for something in between, not too soft and not too firm. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Happy crocheting!